I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Line, and this is episode 236 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions and the answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the miss, and the lies, and we put them here for you so you don't have to. And today, we are on the Carnival Miracle in the Comedy Club, which I forget the name of it. Producer?
Mad Hatter's Lounge.
Yeah, Mad Hatter's Lounge. So on today's episode, we're talking about, is there any way to see the size of the TV in the cabin that I booked? Does Carnival Magic have the Family Feud game? What happened to Turner Classic Movies or TCM on the TVs? Do I have to fill out any paperwork to enter Aruba? And why are the penny slots going away and they're all nickel slots now?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser asked, is there any way to see what size TV is in the cabin that they booked? They noticed that they can vary from ship to ship, from very small to very big TVs, and they wanted to know, is there a way to find out how big it is? John said, yes, you can check with him a couple days before the cruise, and he will ask the team to find out how big the TV is. That said, is the size of the TV that important? I don't know. I mean, we're on the Miracle now, and it's a really small TV, but we're not in there often, you know? So, I mean, I guess if you like watching TV and you enjoy relaxing in your cabin for the duration of your cruise, it might be better to have a big one, but I don't know. What do you think? Put it in the comments below. We would appreciate that. This cruiser asked if the Carnival Magic has Family Feud. They thought they did, but they looked at the recent fun times and they didn't see it on there. They were hoping to audition for it on their next cruise. John said, yes, indeed the ship does have it and he hopes they enjoy it. That said, tonight we're on Family Feud. So we're going to be on the late night show with Tom, Terry, Liz and I, and another young lady, I forget her name. But yeah, Tom did all the intros and stuff like that, and we made it. So yeah, we're actually going on Family Feud tonight. So if you like it, it is on the Magic as well. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question 3. This cruiser is on the Miracle, not this Miracle, it's probably a prior one, for a 13-day journey cruise, and they noticed they're missing the TCM, which I think is Turner Classic Movies channel, on the TV. They enjoyed watching the old movies while in the cabin and was wondering if it can be brought back. John said the TCM channel was replaced by Real Classic Movies, REEL. They believe this channel has a better movie selection for the whole family. I don't think we've personally watched that. I know they have a comedy channel now, which they've taken something else out and replaced the comedy channel, and it's full length, traditionally older comedy movies, but you know, we're chilling in the room. I thoroughly enjoy it. Question 4. This cruiser asked if they personally needed to fill out any paperwork for entering Aruba. John said, no, you don't. Anybody watching, do you know where they might have got that from? Because I don't have a clue as to why they think they might have to fill out paperwork. So if you know or heard of something, put it in the comments. This way everybody else knows. We would appreciate that. Last question. This cruiser said there's been a lot of discussion about all the penny slots minimums being raised. They used to have a penny denomination, and now it all is a minimum 5 cents, making slots unaffordable for many people. They asked John, is this the new norm for all the ships? John said he couldn't comment on this as it was purely a casino operational decision. And I'll tell you, we've heard of this too between our last cruise and the one we are currently on. And I can tell you, on the Miracle, there's a ton of penny slots. So I don't know if people are getting confused, or maybe it was on the Aces or the Sea Cruise they raised the bets. I don't know. But I can tell you right now, on the Miracle, there's absolutely nothing that is a nickel minimum. A lot of them are multi-denominational. So if somebody was playing nickels prior to you and you sat down, it's going to show a nickel bet. just go to the little gameplay or multi-denominate button and hit that, and then you can pick normally 1 cent all the way up to sometimes $2 depending on the machine. But I can tell you, all the slots on all the ships are not nickel minimums. That's been episode 236 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.